Live from the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Welcome to MultiGP News. Week 7 of regional qualifiers closed out in the Northeast and Southwest regions, and even one internationally. Stay tuned for a recap of the races, plus the latest pilot standings coming up. Also see the changes we made to the regional finals course to help make it even faster. The updated version straight ahead. Then MultiGP and the AMA announce an opportunity for our fastest pilots to represent the United States of America at the FAI World Drone Race in Shenzhen, China this November. Full details up next. All this coming up on MultiGP News.
Every passing year, the regional series gets tougher and tougher. Do I really want this? Can I even make it happen? How hard do I want to go?
On the track, it's anyone's race. From the start to the finish, pure adrenaline rushes through you. You have to double down. It's what you train for.
This year is going to be the most competitive year yet. Anybody on top 100 is going to have to hold a line, complete laps. There isn't going to be anybody at the regional final that doesn't deserve to be there.
This is my year. I've trained, I've pushed, and I've planned.
And I'm gonna hammer down as hard as I can.
Can Vanover retain the crown of MultiGP champion, or will a new contender rise through the ranks? Here's the MultiGP rundown. Pilots get excited. MultiGP will host an FAI-sanctioned race at the MultiGP International Open in August. The winners of this race, the 3 fastest pilots, the fastest pilot under 18 and the fastest female pilot, will represent the USA at the FAI World Drone Racing Championship in China in November. The USA team will compete against over 20 other country representatives, including the cool-headed Wanraya Milkwanapong of Thailand, who took first at the recent FAI 2018 China Drone Racing Open in Shenzhen. I kinda want to send a pink MultiGP poker chip to all the female pilots to cheer you on. Keep an eye out for those updates. We recently updated the regional finals track to tighten things up and to make sure everything fits at the regional finals locations. The 2018 MultiGP regional final track, here's a fly-through.
We begin on the launch pads, to the elevated start-finish ladder, orbiting left. Avoid the flag, into the top of the 90-degree offset gate, through the double tower to the bezel run section, right and a hard left. Around the flag and to the back gate section, stitching through the front side, out of it and around the flag. Now to the slurtle section. Sweeper left, into the launch to a reverse angled dive gate. Corkscrew left to right, hard right, half carousel, super hurdle, elevated start finish, and there you have it.
Week 7 is closing out with 2 regional qualifiers, one in the Northeast and the other in the Southwest region, plus an international qualifier in Canada. Shoutouts to Utah Drone Racing, FPV Addiction, and Rat Race FPV hosting those qualifiers. Let's take a look. More qualifiers popping up in the Northeast region of the country. FPV Addiction organizing their qualifier in New York over the weekend. Here are those results. Utah Drone Racing also setting up a qualifier over the weekend. Sky Berry's taking first with 18 total laps in 7 minutes and 2 seconds. Mister in second with 16 laps in 6 minutes and 36 seconds. And Yawbreaker in third with 15 laps in 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Rat Race FPV set up a qualifier in Toronto, California. The event directed by our very own Joe Scully. 16 pilots battled it out in 14 heats in the final race, leaving many at the edge of their seats.
Good luck, pilots. Goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quadcopters. It's a race to 3 laps for the championship on the tone in less than 5. Here we go. Whole shot, Bull FPV, center of our screen, then Trojan Goat, top left, then Fraser FPV, middle right, and XFR in the top center. The race ain't won on lap number 1, and our first one's down, trying to do some turtle mode. That's Fraser FPV on the right. Started with 4, looks like down to 3 as we have Bull FPV, your leader here after 1, on to 2, and not going to take a knee. He's going for it. Trojan Goat right with them. 5.7 seconds back, and we just lost XFR, and now it is going to be a celebration right here for Trojan Goat is going to be your winner. Trojan Goat qualifying second overall to our bracket, qualifying second overall to our championship. And Trojan Goat is your winner of the International Qualifier here in Toronto.
Alex Chief Campbell is still on top of the national standings, sitting comfortably with 22 laps in 6 minutes and 30 seconds, which is the total of his 3 best rounds of 5. Here are the next regional qualifiers on the schedule coming up. Pilots in the Southwest region are gearing up for the very first MultiGP regional final next month in Ventura County, California. The 2-day race will be run by the MultiGP team with our very own EVP of events and race director Joe Scully. Racing kicks off on Saturday, June 9th and finishes off Sunday, June 10th at the beautiful Open Grove Raceway. Fast pilots like Corey Miwo FPV, Ibanez Colby SF FPV, Andy Dolma FPV, and many more will be giving it their best shot to earn a spot at the 2018 MultiGP Championships in Florida this December. You know the deal, top 100 pilots per region will advance to the regional final. Visit multigp.com for more info. Also, to set up your chapter's qualifier race, log on to multigp.com, proceed to your MultiGP chapter's homepage, click the Add Event button, and select Create a Regional Qualifier. Live outside the US but want to compete in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series? Now you can. Just visit our website at multigp.com to learn more. The MultiGP International Open kicks off August 8th and runs through August 12th at the AMA headquarters in Muncie, Indiana. The event promises to be one you'll never forget. A second World Cup track, micro track, and X-Class will also be there among several other courses. It's a family event, so make sure to bring everyone. Visit multigp.com to grab your discounted tickets today. Hey, we'd like to give a very big congratulations to our 2017 MultiGP champion. Alex Captain Vanover officially graduates from high school on Saturday, June 2nd in Texas. Young Vanover plans on attending the University of Oklahoma to study meteorology and hopes to one day work with the NTSB as an air crash investigator. Keep up the good work, buddy! That's it for this week's MultiGP News. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. I'm Kalara Manade reporting for MultiGP News.
If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.